Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Paul Reed and I'm a professional photographer. My main love is monochrome photography. If you've watched any other of the episodes, then you'll already know that. The great weather didn't last here for long here in Scotland, but before it started to rain and actually it started to flood places, I got to the beach with my girlfriend Khadija and we went to the beach because I says I want to do this shoot. I've got this shoot in mind that I want to do, and here's those photographs now.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
I go on quite a bit about the fact that we should all be printing our work, and that's one thing, but what about exhibiting your work? What about planning for an exhibition of your work? Now, this is something which I've been planning for such a long time, and for me, it's a dream, to actually have an exhibition of my work. At an exhibition, people are going to spend a lot more time looking at your work, and also you can display those photographs how you want them to be displayed with other photographs, that maybe they go well with as a story. And it's things like Instagram and all of that sort of stuff. That's going to be the main thing that people are going to be looking at your work on at the moment. And they're looking at that on on a smartphone, and it's barely a 6x4 inch size, that people are going to be looking at your images on. And some of my photography, it just doesn't do it any justice whatsoever. Some of my pictures are quite grand and they really need to be seen on a print rather than on a screen on Instagram. That's going to be the same for some of your work as well, that it just looks much better on a print. People are going to spend so much more time looking at a print than they do on Instagram or things like that. They'll just quickly scroll past it. Even if they were looking at, say, your online print store, they're just not getting the same experience as seeing the finished print. My process of preparing for my exhibition is, first of all, after every year, what I did was I printed all of my favourite photographs as 6x4 prints. There was lots of them, and I put them on boards and put them on the walls. And over the course of that year, I would eliminate ones which I just didn't think maybe cut the mustard, as it were. And as I went on, I then started to kind of get a body of work together for this exhibition, and I've done that every year for a few years now. The stage I'm at the moment, and this is my way of doing things, but I have started to actually, display all of my photographs on my walls here at home as if there was an exhibition about to happen here at home. I've got a lot of wall space, so I know everybody can't do that, but that's my way of really, every time I pass these photographs, I know where I am right now with this exhibition, and it's really helping me. I haven't spent lots and lots on frames or anything because, come the time of the exhibition, I may be putting them in different frames. I just don't know. But so I'm not spending a lot on frames at all for them, but I need them in those frames just so that I can see where I am. These prints have arrived. So this is the Lonesome Underground prints. I'm really pleased with these prints. They're just absolutely beautiful. It's so hard to show you on here how amazing these prints are, but they are just absolutely gorgeous. I am going to put all 8 of these on my print store, and you can buy these all 8 of these as a set, or you can buy them individual and collect as you go. Those Lonesome Underground photographs are going to be part of my exhibition, and they'll have their own section. As you can see here, there's already some hooks on my wall to put all 8 of these together. I guess the question is having an exhibition a bit of a dream of yours? By the way, it doesn't have to be an exhibition of 100 photographs. You could have an exhibition where it's just 3 or 4 photographs. I know a number of photographers have done, and they've just maybe got 3 or 4 photographs, and maybe they're in with a number of other photographers, and they've got a place where they're exhibiting their work. And that's a really great way to do things. There's a gentleman that I mentor called Dave Payne, and he has just came on so well with his photography over the last, certainly this last year, he's just gone on leaps and bounds. And here he is here looking something like Marlon Brando in Apocalypse Now. But he's such a great guy, and he's just doing so well with his photography. The thing about Dave is all the way along, he has always just had this love for, monochrome, and he's had this love for looking for the light and looking for the texture and the tones. And that's been there right from the beginning, but it's just got so much better over this last year. And these photographs, I think, are absolutely beautiful. I have to congratulate him also because he is having an exhibition. I'm so proud of him that he is exhibiting his work. Again, he's just exhibiting 4 photographs, I think it is. But these are fantastic photographs. The other thing that Dave has just done is won this competition, and he has won an honours with the Exposure 1 Awards, and also he got the People's Choice Award as well. This is just fantastic for him, and such encouragement for him to know that he's on the right track. I knew he was on the right track anyway, and I think Dave did know, but sometimes it's just that extra little cherry on the top just to say you're doing a good job with your work, and he really is. It's not a necessity to hold an exhibition, but it is a healthy thing to have an exhibition. I think for me, it's something which I'm really excited about, and it's something to aim for. It's a goal, and it keeps me out there taking photographs as high quality as I possibly can, because everything that I'm shooting, I'm aiming to print. Maybe that would help you too with your photography. Maybe that would push you forward. If you were having an exhibition in, say, 6 months' time, maybe that would really kind of give you the kick up the backside that you feel that you need to get out and start shooting. I'm holding a couple of portrait project workshops, one in London and one in Edinburgh. And what these workshops are going to be is we're going to be photographing lots of strangers. We're going to be asking lots of people for portraits, and you're going to go back at the end of those workshops with lots and lots of portraits of strangers. You're going to see how I take portraits of strangers, but you're going to have the opportunity to do the same. You're going to see how I light these photographs without the use of any artificial light at all. And it's going to be a fun day when we're going to meet lots of people that we never would have met. So if you like my street portrait style, these workshops are going to be absolutely ideal for you. So I'll put a link in the description just to those workshops, and hopefully I'll see you there. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I really appreciate all your support. I appreciate the print sales, and I appreciate you subscribing and liking and commenting and all that sort of thing. I'll see you next time.